This is gonna blow your mind. AI isn't just coming for your job, it's coming for everyone's. The numbers are staggering. Goldman Sachs predicts up to 300 million full-time jobs could be automated away, soon, not decades from now. This isn't just about chatbots or digital art. Generative AI is moving into the physical world, ready to stock shelves, assemble products, and drive trucks. This is a fundamental shift in the nature of work, affecting both blue-collar and white-collar jobs. Lawyers, accountants, coders, designers. No one is safe from this wave. The assumption that education or specialized skills protect you from automation is crumbling. 300 million jobs, more than the entire US workforce, could vanish. The social and economic fallout could be catastrophic, far beyond any previous recession. This isn't a temporary downturn, it's a permanent structural change to the global economy. The foundation of society, trading labor for income, is under threat. The question is no longer if, but when and how fast this will happen. Technology is advancing exponentially. What seemed impossible 5 years ago is now reality. Humanoid robots are leaving labs for warehouses and factories. Their software grows more capable every day. We're on the edge of a future where human labor's value is rapidly diminishing. The warnings are now undeniable. The storm is gathering, and we are unprepared. The evidence is everywhere. Automation is accelerating. The world of work is about to be transformed beyond recognition. Are we ready for the consequences? The time to prepare is running out. History is full of technological panic, Luddites smashing looms, workers fearing machines. In the past, technology destroyed some jobs but created new ones, leading to greater prosperity. Economists call this creative destruction. Old industries die, new ones rise. For 2 centuries, this cycle has held true. But there's a growing sense that this time is different. Previous technologies were tools that made humans more productive. They still needed us. AI is not just a tool. It can learn, reason, and act autonomously. It's not augmenting workers, it's replacing them. When machines replaced muscle, people retrained for cognitive work. But what happens when machines replace the mind? AI is now capable of both manual and complex cognitive tasks. As it improves, it will do almost any job, blue-collar or white-collar, cheaper and faster than humans. The old cycle of job loss and creation may be broken. If machines can do everything, what's left for people to do? This is the terrifying new question. The future of work may never look the same. The future is already here, just not everywhere at once. In Amazon's fulfillment centers, orange Kiva robots move shelves to human pickers, working tirelessly around the clock. In car factories, robotic arms weld and paint with unmatched precision. Now, AI-powered cobots work alongside humans, quickly adapting to new tasks. These machines are proof that automation is no longer theoretical. Companies invest in robots because the return is clear. Robots don't get sick, need breaks, or demand benefits. The economic logic is irresistible. Most current robots are specialized, but the next wave, humanoid robots, promises true versatility. Humanoids can navigate human spaces, use our tools, and perform a wide range of tasks. When this technology matures, it won't just change factories or warehouses. It will transform every workplace imaginable. The shift is underway, and it's accelerating. The robots of today are just the beginning. Soon, general-purpose robots will be everywhere. The workplace as we know it is about to be redefined. Are we ready for a world where robots are our co-workers or our replacements? The answer will shape our future. The race to build the first true general-purpose humanoid robot is on. Tesla's Optimus aims to be a mass-market android, affordable and capable of everything from factory work to running errands. Tesla's Edge AI, batteries and manufacturing expertise. Boston Dynamics Atlas stuns with agility, running, jumping, even parkour, but remains a research marvel, not a commercial product. Figure 01 from Figure AI is laser-focused on replacing human labor in logistics and manufacturing. It's designed to walk, carry boxes, and operate machinery. Already being tested with partners like BMW. Figure's approach: build a worker that fits seamlessly into existing workflows. Optimus, Atlas, and Figure 01 represent the spectrum mass market, high performance, and pragmatic workhorse. Their goal is the same: a machine that can do physical labor as well as, or better than, a human. Progress is rapid, much faster than most expect. The era of the humanoid worker is almost here. These robots will soon leave the lab for the real world. The implications are enormous. The competition is fierce and the finish line is near. The future of work may be shaped by these machines. Why are humanoid robots such a game changer? It's all about embodiment. For decades, AI lived in computers, analyzing data, playing games, but never touching the real world. Embodiment gives AI a body, letting it interact with and learn from the physical world. A humanoid robot is the ultimate embodied AI. Its sensors, cameras, microphones, touch, let it learn by doing, just like humans. The body isn't just a tool, it's a teacher. Our world is built for humans. Doorways, tools, vehicles. A robot shaped like us can fit right in, using our spaces and tools without redesign. Embodiment bridges digital intelligence and physical reality. As AI models grow more powerful, their control over complex bodies will skyrocket. Disembodied AI could take your desk job. Embodied AI can take any job, anywhere. The age of embodied AI is about to begin. For companies, replacing humans with robots is a cold calculation. Robots are a fixed cost. Humans are an ever-increasing expense. Robots don't ask for raises, benefits, or time off. They just work. A human warehouse worker costs over $60,000 a year. A robot, amortized over 5 years, costs just a few dollars an hour. The economic incentive is overwhelming. Labor shortages and high turnover make robots even more attractive. Leaders like Jeff Bezos and Elon Musk see robots as the answer to workforce gaps. Robots are the perfect employees, consistent, tireless, and safe in hazardous environments. They reduce errors, improve quality, and collect valuable data. The question isn't why use robots, but why stick with humans if robots can do the job. The shift is accelerating across industries. The business case is clear and irresistible. The age of the robotic workforce is here. Behind the numbers are real people facing existential threats. Truck drivers, once a stable middle-class job, are being replaced by self-driving trucks that never tire. What happens to a 50-year-old driver when his skills become obsolete? This is technological displacement. Entire communities hollowed out, as with coal mining and steel. Warehouse workers and baristas face the same fate, jobs broken into tasks ripe for automation. These aren't low-skilled jobs. They require dexterity and people skills. But they're predictable and easy to automate. The social fabric tears when people lose meaningful work. Work is more than income, it's purpose and identity. Without it, despair and social unrest rise. The human cost of automation is lost dignity and hope. This is the hidden price of progress. As mass unemployment looms, radical solutions like Universal Basic Income, UBI, gain traction. UBI would provide everyone with a basic, unconditional income, enough for food, housing, and healthcare. Proponents say it's humane and necessary in a world with too few jobs. It could free people to pursue education, creativity, or caregiving, decoupling survival from work. Critics worry about cost and whether people would stop working altogether. There are fears UBI could create a dependent, pacified population, while wealth concentrates among robot owners. Instead of utopia, we might get a society of bored, powerless consumers. The UBI debate is about more than economics. It's about the future we want. Will UBI be a safety net or a gilded cage? The answer will shape our society. We stand at a crossroads that will define humanity's future. Down one path, utopia. AI and robots free us from drudgery, creating abundance and letting us pursue higher goals. Art, science, connection. Work becomes unnecessary, not because of unemployment, but because machines handle it all. Imagine cleaner cities, rapid medical breakthroughs, and personalized education, all powered by automation. This is the dream technology as the ultimate tool for human flourishing. But there's a darker path. The benefits of automation are hoarded by a tiny elite. The majority, rendered economically useless, languish in poverty and irrelevance. Society fractures, unrest grows, and a new digital feudalism emerges. This isn't fantasy. It's a real risk if we mismanage the transition. The same technology could create utopia or deepen inequality. The choice is ours, but time is running out. In a world where machines do everything, what's left for humans? Our purpose, in the age of automation, is the question of our time.